Okay, Deborah, I have MAC lung disease, and I know that it's killed at 140 degrees. Not sure how long I would have to sit in it at that temperature. Also, do you have schematics to build your own? I think I'm going to have to move back to Oregon to see a specialist. I'll make one there so I don't have to take my radiant sauna.
Yeah, just do the DIY or get a portable tent sauna. So if she wants to make one, because you're not going to make a far infrared sauna with a thermostat and a heat controller very easily. I mean, you pretty much have to be an electrical engineer to do that or know how to source the parts. It's going to be a pain. Yeah, portable tent sauna, so you can move it around in the new place, or just build like a DIY heat lamp version to use temporarily, because you don't need a controller or thermostat or any electronics. The other thing is going to be a pain in the butt. I can't tell her how long either. I mean, that's a case-by-case basis. I would say as long as she possibly can, as long as it's comfortable for her, just below overdoing it.
Based on her functional medicine doctor, or?
Yeah, I mean, we're not doctors, right? But we also, sometimes we know a little more than they do, but we don't have history of her care or where she's at on her health journey. So to make a specific hard stop recommendation is kind of silly without taking a lot of other things into account. But she knows her own body, and she'll be able to gauge what her max capabilities are. And so you keep it right underneath that, but push it a little bit. I think that would be beneficial.